cauliflower cheese with a difference. But let's be brutally honest. We love cauliflower cheese in Britain. It's very simple, very easy, and very quick. Cauliflower. Rub with lemon. So it stays a nice colour. There we are. In the bag, a little seasoning. And then sous vide. It is the very best way to boil a vegetable. All the nutrients stay within the bag. We drop into the water for about 45 minutes. Simple as that. Retrieve, open up the bag, out, we proceed. So the cauliflower's been cooking for 45 minutes. But let's not forget, it is the very best way to cook cauliflower if you're going to boil it, because all the nutrients stay in the bag. Look at that, amazing. Cooked within its natural juices. So there's our cauliflower. Okay. So slice your onions incredibly fine. Okay. We deep fry our onions. You may ask why. The truth is, they're not as greasy, and you get an amazing flavour. So we fry until lightly golden at 160 degrees Celsius. So by removing the water content, by frying, you bring out the natural sweetness of the onion, and then they can caramelise. If you imagine frying them in a pan in butter, they go greasy. This way, you extract all the juices and you remove all the fat. And all you've got left is that onion. Allow them to drain, and a little bit of seasoning. So there we have our fried onions. So the next job is a simple one. We take our truffle, okay. We chop finely. It's just like chopping parsley, but it's truffle. Okay. Then we have our truffle. So, there's our cauliflower. So, Take our cauliflower. And what we're doing is cutting our cauliflower really into little steaks. It's like the cross-section of a brain. Now, once again, season. The cheese, which becomes the cement. The onions. Season. Pepper. Cheese. Double cream. Onions. Season. Pepper. Cheese. Onions. Cauliflower. So you take a humble cauliflower and you give it that sense of occasion. A little egg wash. More truffle. And then start to paint the sides. So it all melts into one. Never forget, it's all about the eating. Most people place more importance on the presentation. I'll take this. Take everything that's dropped off. Create a base. All your truffles, everything. And there we have cauliflower cheese. Never be shy, always be generous. Generosity must be your presentation. One thing I hate is meanness. And then, just to finish it, butter makes everything taste more delicious. There's our cauliflower cheese, the construction, the reconstruction. And we bake at 140 for 30 minutes. God, look at that. Oh, my God. And there we have it. Cauliflower cheese with a twist. Now. truffle butter. And just serve it on the dish. As I always say in life, season hard. And there we have it. The brain of all vegetables, the cauliflower.